Midjourney is still my favorite when it comes to generating images based on the imagination. It is full of creativity, there is no question asked. I think that it works. I mean, this is what limits it from growing further in terms of realistic perspective. And they are full of, they are more concerned with, they are more concerned about producing images that are photorealistic from textual descriptions. As someone rightly said, they have gone really overboard with the details, and that's all it is. But however, on the other hand, Leonardo is more realistic, and it comes across as more versatile and user-friendly tool for 3D graphic design and image generation. I will explain in a matter of time that how incredibly cool it is and how user-friendly or beginner-friendly it is. In order to start using Leonardo, you have to sign up to their website. This is what their interface looks like. After signing up with your credentials, you will get a notification to your mail that you will have to, and they will ask you to join their Discord community. And once you are done that, you will get within 1 or 2 days, you will get a separate mail on joining, giving you access to their website. So that's it. So since I already have a account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my Google account. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in with my Google account. So once you signed up and once after you logged into their website, this is what their interface looks like. And yeah, so you can see here they have all the cool features, and you can click on the upgrade. So you can see the free structure. So they have a free version that you get a free access to up to 150 generations per day and up to 30 upscales or unzooms per day and up to 75 background removals per day and up to one pending job. And their subscription plan costs about $10 per month. That contains up to 88,500 generations per month and 1,700 upscales or unzooms per month and 4,250 background removals per month and up to 5 pending jobs, private generations and priority infrastructure. They have artisan plan that will cost about $24 per month, and they have maestro plan that cost about $48 per month, and you can check for yourself and what suits you, you can choose accordingly. But however, to for the beginners, I think this is far better. You can make the best use of free version. I'll just go ahead, and you can see here they have various models based on the type of image or type of content that you want to create. And they have like dream shaper v7 and then 3D animation style absolute reality v1.6, and they also have Leonardo diffusion, and they have deliberate 1.1 rpg 4.0 isometric sci-fi building, okay, and Luna. So you can check for yourself in order to see what kind of images that you want to generate. So let's go ahead. Without further ado, I'm just going to explain directly that where we have to go ahead and start generating images. So you can, if you just go ahead and click on AI image generation here at the left corner, it will take you to its dashboard. So here you can see, if you click on here, they have types of models available: dream shaper v7, absolute reality v1.6, and all those kind of things. So what I'm gonna do here now is that, and they also have different types. If you want to create anime, creative, dynamic, environment, general, illustration, photography, and ray traced, 3D render, sketch black and white, and sketch color. Yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create something like, I want to create a 3D animation style. So I'm going to create old man. So this is what I'm going to give now. So I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. So here you can choose the number of images that you want, and by default it is 4, and they have like alchemy beta version, high resolution stuff. So I have chosen 3D animation style. So I'm just going to go ahead and generate. They also have, in case if you're not sure that what kind of prompt that you want to give, they also have incredible tool for it, prompt generation. If you click on that, it will it gives you a suggestion like how you can go ahead with the prompt. So you can make use of ChatGPT to generate images as well, what kind of images you want to render, and yeah, so that will help. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on generate. So this is cool, right? So one thing I have noticed about these AI tools is that sometimes they are literally they are little weird. Okay, so when you look at their images, they are not sometimes little accurate, and so that is that is what we have to deal with. But however, it is going to be resolved soon. See here in the image, the kid is looking old with gray hair, and that is a little bit awkward and looks weird. But yeah, so that's about it. But you can't, I can keep trying and experimenting with the various tools and see how you can go about it. To you can keep experimenting with yourself. What kind of based on the tools that I have given, they have some things like input dimensions, what dimensions you want, and the intensity, width, height, all the things you can choose for yourself, so based on your convenience. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create I just want to show you something hyper realistic image. So that's what it does. Old man in a garage. That's all I'm going to. Old man in a garage. I'm going to choose Leonardo diffusion for it. Now I'm going to click on generate. So you can see here, this is how, so you can see here, so this is how it has come out, and so it is still in the beta phase, and they're still enhancing every day with the kind of output, with the result and all that. So yeah, you can just spend some time around and have some fun, and it is incredibly cool and incredibly hyper realistic, and that's the best thing about it. And maybe once again, old Native American. So try to play around with different. You can give more complex prompt as well, like with a landscape, background, and you can add in more you know flavor to it. You can add in more variety to the themes. So yeah, it may look definitely good. So you can see here how hyper realistic it looks. It is incredibly cool, and also at the same time it looks a little bit weird. If you look at the neck and all that, it is something, you know um, it comes across as a little bit scary. So that what it is also called as NSFW, which means it is not seriously for work, so it cannot be considered. But however, you can, like I said, if you just want to play around, you can have some fun and see how you can make the best. You can take the best out of it. So these are the images that I have created previously. So it has come out very well. And finally, I want to highlight on one of the additional features that is provided here. That is, training your model. So what you can do here is either you can add. Here you can see here, there is under the guidance scale. So here you can see there is a separate column where you can upload your image and you can train it. So based on what kind of output you are expecting, what kind of output you want. So either you can train with the image prompt, or you can train with uploading multiple images, and then you can give a prompt, and here you can give what kind of seed you want. So this is yet to be explored. I have not done yet, but in the future I will try to cover it. But as of now, this is more than enough, and you can just see for yourself how you can you know work around and make the best use of it. So that's it for today. And if you have any suggestions, if you have any concerns, please let me know in this comment section so that I will try to cover it in the next video. And yeah, so have a great day. Thank you. Thanks for watching.